Hello, friends, and welcome to LKP's weekly commodity outlook. I am Jatin Trivedi, and I shall enlighten you with some key important triggers for this week's commodity markets outlook, and we shall discuss about some levels which are going to be impactful for commodity prices this week. So let's start with some key important triggers for this week. First and foremost, the coronavirus numbers are globally rising, which is helping the commodity prices, especially the bullion markets, on the higher side. This has been registering at a very good levels, especially in the COMEX market. We have seen the bullion markets stabilizing around the levels of around 1770 to 1780, but it has also been seen that the 1800 mark in COMEX gold is taking a very strong resistance point as well. And we compare it to the domestic markets, we are looking at a hurdle of around 49,000 on the MCX as a strong hurdle going ahead. So we are expecting some range bound movements in gold prices between the levels of around 47,500 to 49,000. This is the 1500 barrier point which I am talking about as a range bound market for gold this week between 47,500 and 49,000. Speaking about silver prices, silver on the hand is looking a little bit more bullish compared to the gold prices for this week, as we have seen the base metal prices are rising very strongly. So this is also going to help the silver prices going ahead. So if we talk about the levels which are important for this week in silver is at strongly at 49,000 as a base support level. If and all there is a strong selling pressure being witnessed below 49,000, only then the prices will drop till the levels of around 48,000 or even 47,500. But it looks very unlikely that it will drop below 49,000 for this week. Uh, we are looking at the levels of around 50,500 beyond, and very close to around about 51,000 for silver this week. So watch out for silver on dips. Try to buy it on dips for the levels of around targets of around 51,000 and even beyond 51,000 for this week. Moving on to the energy pack. In energy pack, crude is going to be in a strong momentum. As we all know that the next week there is a strong update about OPEC plus, whether they are going to disrupt the supply chain, or they are going to cut the productions, oil productions, or they are going to increase the oil productions. This is going to be a hot topic next week. So prices will start to price in the outcome of the OPEC plus, and we might see some strong sharp rallies in crude prices. Talking about the levels in crude, $40 to $41 is the basing range at which the WTI crude is trading at. And looking at the Brent crude, we can say that 44 to 45 is looking as a very strong resistance zone as of now. And on the lower side, $42 to $41 is looking at it as a base support for Brent crude, and for WTI, $38 to $39 is looking as a base support. Speaking of which, at the same levels for domestic prices, 3100 will act as a very strong resistance point for crude this week, and on the lower side 3000 to 2970, this is a crucial support zone for crude this week. So if and all prices dip below 2950, only then we might see some strong selling pressure happening, or else the crude prices might trade between this range of around 3000 to 3100 for a couple of days, especially for the starting couple of days. And when we enter to the inventories number on Wednesday, we might see some sharp rallies coming with respect to the inventory numbers as well. Now moving on to the natural gas prices. Natural gas prices have seen some strong sharp recoveries last week, as we have all noticed that the natural gas prices have taken support, as we have also spoken about it in our earlier videos as well, that natural gas prices are looking very strong near the levels of around 120 to 115, and now that they have given a strong breakout beyond 125 to 130, it is holding the levels of 130 on daily closing basis. And as long as it is holding the levels of around 130 on daily closing, we are looking at higher levels of around 140 to 145 in coming days. So watch out for natural gas prices on dips. Try to accumulate on dips around 130 to 132 around levels, which is looking very good for entering the natural gas prices. And on the higher side, 140 to 145 is a key barrier as a resistance. It's going to act as a resistance for natural gas prices. Now moving on to the last segment of our today's weekly commodity outlook, that is the base metal. Base metal, as we have all seen, the copper prices have been rising very strongly, and we have been recommending it in our videos regularly that copper prices are looking very good and very bullish from the time it has crossed above the levels of around 415 415, it has shown some strong sharp rallies on the higher side, and this is on back of the recovery rate which we are seeing in the coronavirus. As we all know that the globally the numbers are very bad, but domestically if we see, there are good set of numbers on recovery rates, and many other nations are also registering, like the European nations, the Chinese nations, all have good recovery rates except for the United States. So this has led to strong recoveries in the base metal, as the major base metal demand comes from the Chinese and the European markets, and this has been helping the base metal prices going on the higher side. uh, Talking specifically about which base metal that we like the nickel market as of now. It has given a strong breakout above 970 on closing basis, and we are looking at the levels of around 1040 to 1050 in coming sessions, maybe in a week, or maybe a week or two, 10 to 14 days. We are looking at it as a base target of around 1050 to 1060. So watch out for nickel prices on dips. We are looking at a good support zones of around 950 to 960 as a very strong support zones. uh, Talking about the other base metals, lead and zinc prices are also scaling higher. So watch out for the lead prices at around the levels of around 144, for the upside target of around 146 to 147. And on the zinc side, 163 to 162 is acting as a good support zones. Till the time zinc prices are trading above 160, we are looking at it as a bullish momentum as of now, for the upside potential of around 166 to 167. That is it from us, guys, for this week's in commodities weekly outlook. Hope to catch you all next week. Happy trading, stay home, stay safe.